Jarvis, record this entry. Greater Seattle Realtors blog supplemental. It is start date negative 299,114. I am about to embark on a 2-hour journey from Skagit County to Sedro, Woolley. I will be passing through multiple counties to get to this property. This is a journey for a client that I really like working with, a home buyer that really deserves a house. The journey will be perilous, full of potholes and construction work and bad traffic, but it will be worth it for this client. We are going to try to get them under contract on a house that they really like, that's going to have steep competition, full of multiple offers. Hopefully this pre-inspection works out. I asked myself if indeed this house journey will be worth it for this particular property, and we will find out once I get there. I know later today, once I get back to the home office, I will have multiple offers to write for several clients. And until then, though, I am focused on this one client to get them under contract on this house that we're doing this pre-inspection with. Will it be all worth it? We will find out once we get to this house. I made it to Sedro, Woolley, and it wasn't that bad. You know, I thought it was going to take me 2 hours, but the drive time was a lot less. As you could see, it was about under 2 minutes of drive time, and it was about 10 minutes of editing all that footage for you of the drive time. Just kidding, but it was under 2 hours. We definitely got here in time for our pre-inspection, and this is definitely a happening listing, but I'm going to see if I can give you guys a quick walkthrough, I guess, while we're here. I might as well show you the interior of this listing as we're doing this pre-inspection, and fingers crossed that my buyers get this one, because we've submitted 2 other offers on some other listings and it has not worked out. This is the one thing that we have not been able to do, that we've been beat on 2 other offers, that we've come in on second place, just simply due to the fact that we were not able to waive our inspection contingency. So even though we were the highest and best as far as price, strongest on financing, all of that good stuff, because we're not waiving inspection, and that's what everyone's doing up here on the north end above Seattle, well above Seattle, Sedro, Woolley. That's what everyone's doing over here. So to compete, we're doing a pre-inspection. Stay tuned. All right, time to get out of the Batmobile. All right, let's see if I can flip the camera around so I can show you guys the property here. Take a look. I'm gonna do like a full panoramic view, or 360 view, I guess I should say. Not panoramic, what am I even talking about? Take a look at this property. The sun is out. And I'm gonna flip the camera around so I can show you inside. Let's take a look inside. Inspection went super well, so I'm on my way to rush home through rush hour, Bellevue rush hour traffic, to eat some dinner, put the kiddo to bed, and I'm writing 2 offers tonight for some buyers. And I'm really hoping there's not a terrible bidding war on this one, because the other property that we're going to be writing for my other client, I called around for some pending properties just to get some more updated information on how much of a bidding war situation we'll probably get on that one. There was one recent property that was just listed 5 days ago in Bellevue. It was listed for 1.3 mil, and within the review date went under contract for 1.55 million. So the market's really picking up. Definitely gonna look up numbers on this one. Hopefully nothing as crazy, but again, we've lost 2 offers in this area due to the inspection, so we are gonna nail it on this one. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I have a phenomenal update for you. My clients won the house. We got into a crazy bidding war, well, crazy for up north. 5 total offers were on the table. There was actually a 6th offer that was gonna come into play, but it never come to fruition, luckily, because it would have actually made my clients be in 2nd place and we wouldn't have gotten the deal. So luckily that buyer got cold feet in the end and they backed out at the last minute. So my clients won this deal. So essentially my clients had an escalation clause that was going to take them up to all the way to 472. Thankfully we didn't have to go that high. The list price on this property was, as a reminder, 410,000. The escalation that we had was going to be a 10,000 increment, and thankfully the second best offer had us escalate up to 440. So that's where we landed. We're at 440 as the purchase price, which is great. A couple of other things that we did to make our offer stand out and win this deal is we did that pre-inspection, which was still phenomenal. We know exactly the condition of the property that it's in, so I never recommend waiving an inspection, but we positioned ourselves stronger there in this multiple offer situation. Calm down, dude. And then Max, hey Max. And then we also did what's called a additional down payment form, so a 22 AD, and a few other offers, buyers also threw this in, but ours was the best. So on our form, we have agreed to paying up to $15,000 in additional funds as down payment in the event that the appraisal comes in lower than the purchase price. So anything above that amount, now we have to renegotiate with the seller if the appraisal comes in less. Anything within that amount of that $15,000, we just automatically move forward if the appraisal comes. But we've done our research on the comps, and I'm pretty sure that that's not going to happen. However, I've coached my clients and they thoroughly know and understand that there's, we've only agreed to an amount that they're comfortable paying in the event that that does happen. So they're set up for success. Now we're moving on to the septic inspection. That should go smooth. That should be great. They are over the moon on this because they've lost 2 other deals, 2 other offers. They came in 2nd place on both of those, and they're glad that they're getting ahead of this market because it's starting to heat up, and they were not looking forward to going into spring and summer keeping at pace. So they are happy. They're excited to be in their house. They're working with a lender that's going to have them closing in 21 days. So we're going to be in this house. Everything's going great. Listing agent seems fantastic. We're all on the up and up. Stay tuned for our next adventures. Again, my name's Aaron Morrow. This is Lukey Morrow. Maximus is below here. He's the beagle that's chomping at my Bashan here. Here, I'll put you down. Again, Aaron Morrow, local realtor in the greater Seattle area. I serve buyers and sellers in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties, a little bit above or below that, depending on where the client needs me to go. And if you know anyone that I could be helping, please reach out to me. Until next time, keep watching my videos for my next adventure. All right, roll out.